I'm Christelle and welcome to E-Prime. Three-time Grammy winner Cedella Marley, the eldest daughter of legendary reggae artist Bob Marley, has remixed one of her father's most famous tunes, the 1980 reggae hit Could You Be Loved.
Well, in the darkness, you must come out to light. But stay alive. Hey. Could you be loved?
The remix, a club-ready electro banger, features electronic music DJ Savvy and was produced by Kamal Banki. Cedella plans on contributing all earnings from her portion of the single to Women Helping Others Achieve, a charity that provides mentorship and skills training to marginalized women across Jamaica and the Caribbean.
Before we present to our winners, let's say congrats to our second place winners.
That's the winning moment last night when city dancers out of Montego Bay became the 12th winners of the famed Jamaican dance show Dancing Dynamite. Viewers were treated to a gospel segment by the top four, which also featured Rondell Positive. The much anticipated final saw a very energetic face-off.
No, you're not bad, stop, creep that dog. Coop another, you just feel bad dog. No, you're not bad.
You see when him take off him hat and put it down and go so. And that win! Fantastic step on the phone.
In all my time here as a judge, this is the first time I've seen a real battle on the stage.
The night also saw performances from upcoming reggae singer Jaleel and high-energy performance from iOctane.
Everybody must have dancing down the
D-Squad was placed 4th overall, with two cool dancers in 3rd and the favorites Fantastic Dancers cupping 2nd place. King Arthur, Legend of the Sword, is officially the first major box office flop of the summer.
Listen to me. I need you to do as I tell you. I need to get you and the boy away from here.
According to the director Guy Ritchie, in a release, King Arthur, Legend of the Sword opened in 3,700 locations, but only managed to rake in $14.7 million. Warner Brothers was naturally disappointed at the poor showing, but remained hopeful for the rest of its summer movies, including Wonder Woman and Dunkirk. King Arthur is a gritty reimaging of the Excalibur myth starring Charlie Hunnam as Arthur. And that's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime. I'm Christelle. Thank you for watching.